Welcome to today's session. We are going to talk about something truly meaningful and impactful: customer service, a career that's not just a job but a chance to make a real difference. Have you ever paused to think about what makes a great customer experience? It's not just about fancy products or sleek apps. No, it's about the human connection, the voice on the other side of the line, the reassuring email, or the kind words that calm your worries. Today, we are shining a light on the unsung heroes of these experiences: customer support executives. Let's dive in and explore their roles, responsibilities, and why they're the true champions of customer experience in today's world. Think about the last time you reached out to a company for help. Maybe it was to fix a technical glitch, track a package, or simply ask a question. Now imagine, what if that call went unanswered? Or the response you got felt robotic and indifferent? Frustrating, isn't it? You call, and a friendly, calm voice greets you. Someone who listens patiently, offers solutions, and, most importantly, makes you feel valued. That's the magic of customer support executives. Imagine this: a young professional struggles to access an online platform. Frustrated, they call for help. Within moments, a support executive not only fixes the issue but guides them with clarity and patience. That's what they do, day in and day out. Whether it's troubleshooting technical problems or assisting with account queries, their mission is simple: to provide quick, effective, and empathetic solutions. Here's the truth: not all customer interactions are smooth sailing. Complaints are inevitable. But for a customer support executive, every complaint is more than just a problem, it's an opportunity. Imagine a customer upset about a delayed delivery. They're angry, disappointed. Now, the executive could simply apologize and move on. But instead, they listen. They acknowledge the frustration and offer not just a solution but a reassurance that builds trust. It's moments like these that transform dissatisfaction into loyalty. Behind every smooth interaction lies a system, a record of conversations, preferences, and solutions. Customer support executives ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Their logs become a treasure trove of insights, helping businesses improve services and enabling more personalized experiences for customers. Let's be honest, not every problem has an easy fix. For those moments, customer support executives act as the bridge between the customer and expert teams. They escalate issues with care, ensuring they reach the right hands for swift resolutions. Their focus is always on one thing: ensuring the customer feels supported every step of the way. At the heart of this role lies a single, unwavering goal: customer satisfaction. From the very first hello to the final resolution, every interaction is infused with a desire to leave the customer not just satisfied but truly happy. It's not just about solving problems. It's about creating memorable experiences that build trust and connection. Customer support isn't just a job, it's a launchpad for an incredible career. Start as a support executive, and with the right skills and dedication, you could grow into roles like team leader, quality analyst, training specialist, or even an operations manager. Every step is a chance to learn, grow, and thrive in this dynamic field. Let's talk about what you can earn. For entry-level roles in India, salaries range from 15 to 25K per month. With experience, mid-level professionals can earn between 30 to 50K per month. And senior roles? They often exceed 60K per month. And let's not forget, performance-based incentives can add a significant boost. The future of customer support is exciting thanks to artificial intelligence. Chatbots now handle routine queries, freeing up executives to focus on complex, human-centered problems. AI tools also provide real time insights, helping professionals deliver even better service. Far from replacing humans, AI is empowering them to be more efficient and impactful. Do you love solving problems? Are you someone who can stay calm under pressure and connect with people on a personal level? If yes, then customer support is the career for you. It's a role for empathetic individuals who thrive on making a difference, one conversation at a time. In the end, being a customer support executive is so much more than a job title. It's a promise. A promise to be there when someone needs help. It's about creating connections, solving problems, and leaving a lasting, positive impression. Thank you for joining today's session. Let's celebrate the incredible work of customer support executives and the endless opportunities this field offers. Are you ready to step into this rewarding and impactful world? I believe you are. Are you finding it hard to make a career transition? Or are you searching for that perfect entry level opportunity? At Clogic Softtech, we've got you covered. Our tailored solutions are designed to meet your unique career and job needs. Reach out to us today at 8984335454 and let us help you unlock your true potential. And for more valuable insights into the industry, don't forget to follow us on YouTube, WhatsApp, Telegram, and LinkedIn. Let's take your career to the next level together.